Hello everyone, I'm Wally, and today I'm going to bring you a review of a track. This track can be installed with the lighting devices such as track lights. It's a very practical commercial lighting product. In this video, we will show you the characteristics of this track by 3 small experiments.
Ready, go!
First of all, let's test the robustness of this track light. We can do a drop test. This track light is made of aviation aluminum. Let's have a look. Let me show you. Are there any cracks or any signs of breakage? Next, let's see if this track can be used in a good condition as before. The 2 magnetic lights, it can be used in good condition as before. This is no problem at all. I'm going to show you if our track is closely attached to the magnetic light. Take it off. Take a look. There is no problem at all. The position of the track lights has not changed. As we all know, there are a lot of people in the shopping mall and the lights are frequently used. If high voltage devices are used, accidents may occur. However, our track uses low voltage and is very safe. Including these connections, you can touch them by hand. So our tracks are very safe. Through the above experiments, we can see that this track is very sturdy and durable. Close connection with track light and low voltage safety. If you also want to buy a high performance track light, then this track light is definitely your first choice.